In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website for a local health and fitness business using Squarespace's versatile tools. Setting up a website might sound challenging, but with the right guidance, you'll have your site up and running in no time. In this guide, we'll walk through the process with clarity and ease, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Squarespace. To do this, open up your web browser and enter the URL for Squarespace. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, it's straightforward to create a new account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and remember to use an email that you'll have easy access to, and choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you're in, look for the section that says Template Store. This is where Squarespace houses a wide variety of templates to kickstart your website. Think of it like choosing the blueprint for your dream house. Squarespace offers plenty of options, but since we're focusing on a business in the health and fitness sector, you'll want to narrow down these choices to what's most relevant for your needs. In the template store, start by checking the category labeled Local Business. This will help filter the templates to those designed with local enterprises in mind. Here you want to look for the template called Irving. The Irving template is particularly great for health and fitness businesses due to its clean design and flexible layout. It offers sections that allow you to feature services, team members, and even customer testimonials, which can help build trust with your audience before they step foot in your physical location. Click on the Irving template to see a preview. Take your time to explore the demo to get a feel for the design and functionality. If it looks like a good fit, select it to start customizing. This template will serve as your site's foundation, and from here, you can modify its appearance and content to match your brand's unique personality. Setting up this template is like decorating the walls. You'll fill in the important details, such as your business name, contact information, and essential content that will guide your customers. Take advantage of the user-friendly Squarespace interface, which allows you to easily upload images, change text, and rearrange sections. Remember, a well-structured website is key to engaging visitors and turning them into loyal clients. And there you have it. Your new website with the Irving template is all set for your health and fitness business. As a tip, make sure to frequently update your site with fresh content and check in on the analytics that Squarespace provides to see how visitors are interacting with your site. This way, you can make informed decisions about where to make improvements going forward. Thanks for following along, and happy website building.